welcome back to Justice Girls. And today we are going to make slime. We're just, we don't know exactly what kind of slime we're making because, we haven't, found something to focus on. So, yeah. To make slime, whatever slime you're making, you're going to need a bowl. You might need this baby powder, just in case. Conditioner, just in case. Eye solution, contact solution. Glue. And we're using paws because my brother won't give me the detergent, so I'm gonna pop these. So these scissors because I need to pop these, and markers for color because I don't have food dye. We don't buy food dye. But okay, so let's get into the video. And you're also gonna need rubber bands. So the first thing we are going to do is open our glue.
But we're only gonna put a little bit because we're just testing out it.
Yeah, we
don't know if this method works. We're gonna put a lot.
So. Okay, so we have our glue in there. Okay.
And we need some to stir it. Pause. Wait, we have.
So we have the glue. We put the glue there. Now we are going to add our detergent.
And we have a little bit instant.
Well, first we're gonna add. Yeah, we have instant. Well, we're gonna add a color first. Which color do you want to do? We're gonna do red. Okay, red. Yeah.
Yeah.
Red. Okay.
So I'm gonna explain to you guys how you guys do it. So be careful and ask a parent before you start doing this. And we're older, so yeah. So you're just gonna bend that, and then you're gonna keep on doing it. Make sure your hands at the bottom of it.
You need help, Karen?
Oh shoot!
Pick it up. Okay, so
just keep on going like that, and then soon enough you should be able to just pick it out more.
Yeah, or go like this.
Yeah, just bite it off.
Okay, don't do what I did because that's bad.
Now you're gonna put your scissors in there.
Cut the outside off first. Let's cut the outside. Because they won't get in there. It's not gonna. The scissors are too big. Unless.
No, I got it. Oh wait, pause it.
So we're going to cut this open. So we'll be back.
So long story short, we got it out, and that's what it should look like if you're using skinny ones.
So now you have to squeeze this in there. So here on YouTube, like that. 2 drops, 3 drops, 4 drops.
That should be enough.
Yeah, 4 drops should be enough. And now we are going to use our mixing tool.
So make sure you don't sit on your counter because
I'm done.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to
mix it first
with this because I'm not going to need that. Yeah, just use this. So I'm going to use the bottom of it. You want to just mix it up until the whole entire color is in there. Yeah, so
it should turn out that. We're going to add any more colors, just be creative.
Ours is going to be a hot pink.
Yeah, because
pink is a thing, guys. Pink is a thing.
Oh, it actually did turn out as pink. We were looking for a more reddish color, but it turned out like pink. Yeah.
It actually looks really nice to me.
Yeah.
So now we have to do the fun part, the bust it open.
So I'm going to bust open the orange.
Pod. The orange? Just take out the back.
Okay, and then you'll...
Yeah, cut it over it though.
Okay. Put it all in there?
You can. I mean, you don't have to. Ooh. Okay, stop.
Guys, it look like puss.
Now we're going to mix this up, and look, it is slowly coming together. Kira, add some more. Ooh, she put the whole thing in there. Okay, Kira, stop. Oh, you messed it up.
No, we need this. So now it's crumbly. Now you're gonna set it in your sink and let it rinse.
Yeah. We're going to use, I guess, contact solution, right?
Yes. So a little bit of contact solution.
A little bit of contact solution. And it'll start coming together slowly. I mean, I guess...
Just keep on adding it.
That's she's gonna... And we're gonna do a little bit
See,
more.
It's like a gug right now.
A gug, yeah. It's very...
So now I think we need the
baby powder. We're gonna try it.
Yeah, so... Let's tell. That's why I was going to tell you when to stop.
There. Now I'm going to mix this.
Oh, guys, it's coming together.
Yeah, it really is. But it will get stuck to the bottom, then come together more. Okay, don't do that. Don't do what I did. Okay, Kiara accidentally added so much that we need more contact solution.
No?
Yeah, we did.
Let me see.
See,
Let me
look.
touch it. Let me see if it's sticky. Nope. Look it.
Yeah, but it's sticking to the thing. Unless you want to add more of this.
Yeah, because it makes it not sticky. Okay, so we're just going to keep on mixing that. Or Tamaya's going to just keep on mixing that. And here, show them. And
It looks like gum paste.
Yes, it does. So we're just going to keep on mixing it and adding more
Baby powder.
baby powder.
So we'll get back to you when we're done.
So it's all good now. And that's our creative slime. So go shout this out to people, put it on Instagram, screenshot this. That's all I got for you.
And wait, we're going to add some rubber bands.
Yeah.
So you want it to be sticky but not sticky, so we're going to get rubber bands.
So we only got a little bit because
This is just a little bit.
yeah, because it will be a little bit, and we are trying to make it more of a gummy paste like this.
Yeah, put some
This and if you guys would smell it, it smells like
fruity gum, like
Yeah,
gum that's very fruity.
yeah, it smells super good. So remember to shout out people, and we
Show
use
people about
pods.
this. Yeah, we use pods. You don't have to, but this is just okay, Kira.
Yeah.
This is just our way of being creative.
My name's not Kiera, it is Hannah.
Yes, it is. Okay. So this is our way of being creative, very creative, and we just made this gum
it
paste.
busted on me.
Okay, we're gonna make this gum pasty thing. So it looks actually look really cool. Like
We
it's
just made
cool.
it up.
Yeah, we just made it up. So now I'm gonna take these rubber bands out because these rubber bands are not cool anymore.
But if you guys want to, you guys could go ahead and put a bunch of rubber bands and it'll crunch up. You can watch other YouTube
People
videos.
do it like Joseph Anthony.
Yeah.
He does that stuff. I watched his. So yeah, comment down below if you think the slime came together very nicely, and then comment down below if you think that you would ever tell someone or show someone about this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
And this is much easier way.
Yeah.
So
To make fast slime.
yeah,
Because yeah, it's very easy. All
like
you
if
need
one of
is-
your friends are like, "Girl, you don't got no slime," and then you just go home and then slap up some stuff together and it'll be moist.
moisty slimy.
Bye.
Bye.